Hello, hi guys, I'm Arlene Norico, a newbie just like you. I hope we will, hi, shout out nga pala dun sa mga classmates ko na bago lang. And shout out din dun sa ating sponsor, Princess Gumabon. And for your untiring motivation, untiring support para dun sa amin. Um, I am a senior high school teacher by profession, and just like you also, I have dreams, a lot of dreams. When I taught in the kindergarten school for 17 years, that was private school, I only earned 3,000 to 5,000 a month, in which we having three children in the family to feed. That's really hard for us. And during those days, I dreamed to have a to be in the public school. That's why I'm here in the public school. But um, the problem there is that I have to spend 200 to 250 a day for my transportation because of the geographical problem. And one thing more is that an hour of traveling every day, that would be 2 hours back and forth, is very tiring for me. And having such loans from left to right, and yung net take home pay mo wala na rin, so medyo nahirapan na rin kami despite na we have our business. Itong Itsunan, we have this business which kahit wala na akong sahod, yun ang nagiging source of income namin ngayon. Kaya kahit na meron ngayong problem, itong pandemic na COVID-19, nandito lang kami sa bahay, yet because we have savings which we are using these days. But then, yun na nga nakikita ko doon sa mga post vlogs ni Princess, ni Sir Edward, spending time with the family dun sa ibang lugar. That has been my dream. And you know, wala pong, sabi pa nga nila, wala daw teacher na yumaman. Sa totoo, wala talaga if we would only depend on our salary. But then, thinking about businesses, dami nang yumaman sa business. But then, yung commitment naman namin sa teacher, nandun pa rin. Kahit na maliit lang yung sahod, I'm so blessed to have my family, to have my husband and my eldest son who is now managing our business. And you know what, I'm so blessed also with my children. Hindi naman sila magastos. And we only have now two students na ginagastusan namin kasi yung eldest ko, siya na yung nag-feed sa amin through the business income namin. Why I'm joining this business is that because I have been dreaming. I'm already 48 years old, and I hope so that before ako mag senior citizen naman, maiangat ko naman yung buhay namin. Yung maranasan o maramdaman ng mga anak ko na pumupunta kami sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar, kung saan we would spend 5 days na wala kami iniisip, kami lang, just for family bonding. And I'm also a risk taker. I have been scam. Daming scam na napuntahan ng mga pera namin. Siguro naman malaki na sana yun if naipon namin. But then, lesson learned, and sabi pa nga, go lang ng go kahit na ang daming mga challenges. You know, you will not become strong naman pag hindi mo naranasan itong mga bagay na ito. Kaya to our coach Princess, thanks a lot. I really admire you. I have been listening, I have been watching your videos, and wherever you are, I hope pupuntahan ko din. And for those who wanted to join this business, who are interested, sana magkita tayo. Go lang ng go for our coaches. Maraming salamat for the system, the very very good system, because lahat naman yung step by step na procedures, parang medyo nahirapan ako minsan, kaya palagi akong post ng post while following. But anyway, it's very yung actually natutunan ko naman dito is yung mga system ay talagang applicable naman doon sa business namin, at saka applicable din doon sa pagtuturo ko doon sa paaralan, because of through me nagbo-boost yung confidence ko sa paharap ng camera. How could I teach my students to be like me also if me hindi naman nakikita yung confidence? Kaya I'm so blessed, happy to be in this training. Actually, this is really a training for me, and I learned a lot. Kahit na ilang days pa lang ako, I really learned a lot. To my coaches, thanks a lot. And for those who are interested, join us. God bless.